Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1972 MGB GT that we currently have on offer. It's finished in this really attractive olive green paintwork with kind of a tan racing stripe there to kind of tie in with the interior. Interior's tan leather. This car is a 4-speed overdrive wire-wheeled GT, so really heavily optioned. Nice restoration that was performed probably about 10 years ago. Still presenting really well. So really good paint work, bright work, glass, all that's in great shape. You know, windshield was replaced, the rubber's nice, the tires, wheels. Let's take a look at the chrome work here. Little tiny bump, just kind of a little tiny bump in the nose here, but you know, really not massively noticeable unless you point it out. But yeah, very nice paint all the way around. I just took this car for a drive, and really strong driver, really good engine, transmission, free flow exhaust system, overdrive works great. So it's got this sport wheel fitted, you can see there. But yeah, really good paint work, really nothing bad, so to speak of. Really nice bright work. Pretty good panel fit. Like I said, new windshield, really nice soft rubber. Really lovely paint overall though. You know, color sanded, buffed. All this trim works in nice condition. Probably could do with a set of rear lenses, but that's an easy one. Interior wise, quite nice. These seats are trimmed in sort of this pumpkin tan leather, which is really attractive. Dash is in good condition. It's fitted with this sport wheel. The speaker fell out of the door, so we're gonna replace that. That's no problem. But yeah, really lovely seats, matching brown carpets. You can see nice original door panel here. We'll go around to the driver's side. Check it out. I just took this out for a drive, and you know, real comfortable car, overdrive. It's got that lovely sport wheel fitted. Pretty good door panel set. New door seals. Back here you can see it's got the little jump seats, the original. Let me take a better photo of that. But yeah, original nice jump seats there in good condition. That's for like kids or pets. We'll take a look in the back here. Nice carpet. What struck me with this car is just an absolutely perfect mint original headliner. There's a nice sound system fitted. We bought this car from Maryland, and it came in, it's completely rust-free underneath. So it's one of those cars that was sort of, you know, garaged every winter and only brought out in the summers, because it's just beautiful underneath, absolutely zero rust. So in here you can see the engine compartments painted a slightly darker green than the rest of the car, but very nicely tuned engine, alloy head. So that shows me it's had a recent, you know, brand new head or valve job fitted on there. But beautiful, expensive alloy head. Carbs are crisp and clean. They've probably been rebuilt. It's fitted with this very nice cold air box. We've put our hands all over this and done a little bit of knickknacks to it, but mechanically in wonderful condition overall. Get this hood prop to drop down. Yeah, so there it is. I just took this for a drive, like I said, and great running, driving, brakes, suspension, steering, everything feels pretty nice. So if you're in the market for one of these stylish MGB GTs, not many around right now with wire wheels overdrive in this really lovely, sort of slightly older, fully restored condition. Attractive paintwork, pretty nice fitting panels. You know, good condition car overall. Like I said, it probably just needs a couple light lenses to crisp up the tail up here. I think we have a set. But there you have it, 1972 MGB GT. It's finished in this beautiful olive green, tan leather interior, sport steering wheel, wire wheels, overdrive, very, very nice cosmetics, very good mechanicals, ready to go, turnkey, enjoy it. Nicely priced on our website, just come onto the market, and it's for sale right now, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.